Negotiating the track now is Alan Chunchoy. Going on the track. A little bounce there at the front of the bird. Goes on the fifth third. Goes back the complete all the way running around the billboard. The short check in the top two is right turn for the short stay. Right turn again into the reverse section of the track. Climbs up into the double A left-hander.
Is it anyone in 180? 180?
Start finish straight. Goes Big Al, Alan Chunchoy to that double. Hits the barrier on his way. Trying to recover is Big Al with one tire stuck in his